YouTube has added super thanks to shorts, and that's a great idea. It's always a great idea to give people more ways to be able to donate to you. But now that I'm thinking about it, I actually never talked about super thanks on this channel, so let me go ahead and explain it real quick. Now, you've had to have come across at this point a video that has had a heart with a dollar sign in the middle of it. That is what a super thanks is. And once you click on that, you'll be able to donate a one-time payment to that channel. That payment can be anywhere between $1 to up to $500, and it will look differently depending on how much you give. So if you go for $1, $2, your comment will have like a bluish outline to it, versus if you go closer to $500, it'll be more reddish. Not only will it look different than the regular comments, but it'll also be standing out a little more as far as more people to see it. It'll be, I don't want to say it'll be pinned to the top, but it'll hover above most other regular comments. So that's the benefit of giving a super thanks to your favorite YouTuber. Hopefully I'm one of your favorite YouTubers, so you can give me a super thanks. You know, I love taking people's money. If you want to get your own super thanks, first off, you gotta get monetized on YouTube if you're not already. But when you are monetized on YouTube, what you need to do is go to YouTube Studio and then go to the Earn tab. From the Earn tab, there are other tabs in that. You want to go to the Supers tab and then enable supers on your channel. From there, you'll see that you have super stickers, super chat, and then you have super thanks. Make sure that the super thanks is enabled up there and you're good to go. So with all that being said, now that you know how important super thanks are, or at least I'm assuming you know how important it is for your channel to get some extra money, you should go ahead and do that if you haven't done it already. And with that being said, once again, you can go ahead and donate to me, because that's probably the most important thing for me to say. But nah, for real though, more important than me saying that is make sure you check out some of the other videos I got, because listen, I'm like giving updates on this channel. I also like doing YouTube tutorials. God dang, that's why it's called YouTube tutorials, or is it YT tutorials? It's one or the other. They both mean the exact same thing. It don't even matter at this point. I'm just rambling on. Last thing I want to ramble on about is make sure you check out yttutorials.com, because I have other blogs, articles that talk about how-tos and tutorials about YouTube, also recommendations about software and assets that you could use to help your channel, videos, video editing, things like that. So check out yttutorials.com as well. Thanks for watching. Probably going to have another video up here somewhere that's going to be recommended to you, so you should check that out next.